Even though I don't do ride share full day, let's see how many time I do ride sharing today. Now I have to make a U-turn after crossing the road, but the road is pretty busy. I have to take some time to cross the road. Oh, a lot of buses, trucks, rickshaws are coming. Why a lot of vehicles here? Finally I crossed the road. Now I have to make a U-turn, but it was very difficult for me to cross the road. Okay, I crossed all roads. Which sound is this? I'm getting bad sound. What is this? It is coming from my bike. From where this sound is coming? What a sound. It is very annoying thing for me. I thought this sound is coming from another vehicles. This sound is like a plane. Today I won't do ride sharing. Now I have to go to a mechanic shop. What is this? What sound is this? This sound is like a helicopter. Now I have to make a U-turn again. Then I will go opposite side of the road. Why it happened, I don't know. This sound like aeroplane. This this sound like aeroplane. I don't know if you can hear this sound because my microphone inside my helmet. I'm using this left side and these rickshaws are coming wrong road. Oh, what a sound, bro. But I'm enjoying this. Even though my bike is getting problem. Now I have to turn left then I will go to the mechanic shop. I am going to mechanic shop with my aeroplane. I feel like this sound is coming from chain or other something. I'll be able to understand full thing after going there. Now the main thing is whether the shop is open. Oh, it is open today. কি অবস্থা আপনার? অবস্থা তো খুবই খারাপ। চালাইতে সময় বিমানের মতো আওয়াজ, আপনি টান দিলে বুঝতে পারবেন ভিতর থেকে কি আর যেন একটা আওয়াজ হয়।